It's 25 Top Android apps, and today I'm going to review Smart PC Remote Control. Now, this application is mainly about controlling your laptop with your phone or any other devices that you use. Here's all the pictures, the screenshots, the description, and now for the comments. People are saying it's fantastic, easy to use, which is true, and it's a very great app. Now let's open the application and show you what it looks like. Now in this part, this is the control. That's the off button to exit out something, the X button to escape, and that's the rest of it. I'm going profiles. You see all the other settings that you can choose from. And that's the settings for it. Now to install this app, there are two steps. The first step, you should go to this site, which I'm showing you right now, and download the software on your laptop. Once all the installation is finished, go down to the bottom left side of the screen, the bottom right side of the screen, and open the application. Then you might see it come up. And let me show you how it works. I just open the start button. Now I'm going to use the mouse pad and watch the cursor on the laptop screen. This is my favorite part. I'm gonna shut down my computer with my phone. It's gonna take a couple minutes. Just wait.
Cruising in my Lamborghini, she had on purple panties, blue bikini, the shine. We were cruising in my Lamborghini, cruising in my Lambo.
I didn't call you back.